intellectual property. Like it can be patent, it can be design, it can be copyrighted, etc. So she will be explaining about it in detail. She has already explained in her last session all faculty members. But we decided to have a one-to-one session with the department so that it will be more focused from the point of view of publishing or filing the patent. So also as a Dean R&D, from the point of view of NIRF, I am here that we require few amount of patents by the month of November published, and then only we can apply within the NIRF report. Those who were with me last time while doing the data, maybe our master was there. What data we have filled, we lost the master there because the patents was not having institute name as the applicant and the inventor. So all these things we have seen, observed, and what we have come up with that we should have a best patent consultant with us. He is a patent attorney. So you will explain your introduction. But our main objective is to have good amount of patents in the institute. Now we are here with electrical department and MBA department. Both the departments are here. Technical and one non-technical. So we can have a in-depth. So I will hand over charge to Kandani madam. After that, madam will want to felicitate Kandani madam.
So I formally welcome you, madam. Sir, if you are there in the photograph, you will your activity also.
Yes, ma'am. Our floor is same and everything. Same boat here.
बस एक जन काढा We can share the photographs. एक जन काढा.
So without wasting much time, we will start.
I will start with one last. Very important thing is that from now or from the time we hired a patent consultant, it is compulsory that all the patents should be applied or filed through her only, our company. We should not file the patent by her own. If it has happened, it will be considered strict infringement or your job authorization. So strict action can be. So avoid that.
Java.
Sir, what you wanted to ask me? What does patent mean? And the MBA can mean? Sir.
Sir. Aniket sir, here the mic through कमी करावी. हाँ, बात
Thank you so much. Without wasting much time, I would just wanted to ask, how many of you all are familiar with the process of patent? How many of you all have gone through the process of IP, patents, or have some idea about what patenting is all about?
Only idea. Process and more the detail.
So I just give you a brief run through what patent is all about and how is the process and what we can do. So patent is basically a legal right which is given to the inventor for his invention by the government, and it's for a period of 20 years that you get the right of Xerox. And all these people have got the patent, and that's how the light bulb and all that. That's how they got the patent. Patent are for process, product, which is called as a utility patent and a design patent. There are two types of patent: utility patent and a design patent. Utility patent can be product, process, and anything else revolving around, including product, process, both. It can be both, but does not segregate. It is a product patent, is a process patent. Okay. Design is just the aesthetic appearance of the product. Like you have this bottle, the way the bottle is designed is a design product. The liquid inside can be a utility patent. Okay. Why is patent important? Because patent are the only element which gives you a legal right over your research. I don't remember any other form, any other law which gives you a legal right for your research specifically. So patents are the only thing which gives you a legal right for your research. So it acts as your intellectual property, and for which you can have your shares on, you can have your rights on, basically. And patents basically have a standard process how you follow. It's exactly like your examination system. So you draft your application, and since I am associated with the college now, we as an attorney take care of the entire end-to-end process. From your end, we just need the technical data in your language. You don't have to share the technical data in a patent language. No. In your own technical language, you can share the data with me. Okay? There are 3 criteria in which you have to constantly all through remember these criteria. It should be novel. It should be new. New can be a new concept, product, process altogether, or an improvement on the existing invention. This also means new. Second, it has to have inventive step, or it is non-obvious. Non-obvious in the person skilled in the same art. So if there are 2 faculties who are from the same domain, for the other faculty it should not be obvious. So if you follow the criteria of novelty, automatically obviousness gets absolute. Okay. And third, it should have an application. Some kind of application has to be. What is the process for patenting? You draft the application. We as patent attorney file the application. It gets examined. After examine, you scrutiny the application, you reply if there is any objection, and then you proceed. Then it is proceeded ahead. If they again have any objection, then they ask to attend for a hearing. Hearing is actually a one-to-one hearing which happens with the examiner and the applicant or the patent agent. So again, because we are a part of this very IPR ecosystem at least now, so we will be the person who will be the face for you to attend the hearing as possible. Okay, this is the general concept about what patent is all about. We are here to first develop a culture of intellectual property right. As sir said, by December we are looking forward for a particular target. So the target that basically I have set for specific department is 25 to 30 patents per department till December. So it can be design patent, it can be utility patent, it can be design product, both. It can be design utility, both, anything. Since each of you all have certain students under you, so you can get stuff from the students also. Right? It's just not an individual thing. Second, how you all can extract is each one of you all have your PhD work going on. That PhD work, a part of the PhD work which is not published. One very important thing you have to keep in mind, it should not be published. So anything which is not published can get into the patent regime. Okay? And a part of the PhD work also you can look forward and you can present if you have like you can present and you can approach for the patenting aspect. Any query that you have to why we should patent?
That is our own idea.
See, why you should patent? Okay, it is college is giving all these provisions, but why?
This product, this is to protect that to be copied from others.
Exactly. So it should be, it's an offensive publication as well as a defensive publication. So it will be offending with others copying your invention and also defending from you going and infringing someone else. Okay? So I think with this note, a small, this is just an interaction, so I would like to know from you if you have any existing invention or you're working on upon something or any potential thing or you've already worked upon something that you would come.
In the SVD system, what we are doing, every subject teacher is preparing for their MCQ, means multiple choice questions, assignment questions. In that we are adding so many questions from internet, books, etc. So every subject has their own document of minimum 30 to 40 pages. And in a class, a proper documentation is there. So can we copyright for it?
Because it is already, we're just collecting it and making it one thing. No? That copyright can be done for documenting that you're saying. That
Document for that, because
Yes,
our
yes.
triple P is already there under Good Pattern in Professional Education. So even the triple P, sir, our triple P document is the unique document. So we have to take copyright for this.
Copyright man.
I told him last time.
Similar to that, our assignment MCQ booklet, if collectively we can go for, we have, SVD has copyright
Manuals
for
also
it.
we can.
So can we go for that? At least per department, a class document is near about 150 pages document.
On the last week I applied for a document of 6 pages. Manual was there. I applied for a ISB. We can go for patent also. or copyright.
Copyright.
Simple thing is, madam, what she is doing. Suppose I have 150 MCQs on particular subject, like financial management. So whether that can be go into the process and copyright.
But that MCQs are from copied from somewhere then? Only a set of MCQs will be a copyright, or the question should also be a
The entire booklet will be copyrighted. It's not the questions.
content will not be copied.
Content will not be copyrighted. The booklet.
I'm talking about
booklet entire. Suppose I
even
have 200
whatever
MCQs.
SVD and scientific we have, then Ian Steele conference booklet we have. Can we have copyright?
Copyright can be done for
But
this.
it has already a ISBN number. Like, as a book we have published
Copyright can be done for that.
before publishing.
Yes.
So this I have one option, because whoever is editor for that Ian Steele book,
And now we have it is already published. Before
Copyright can be done.
after
Copyright is not an issue. Patent is an issue. Patent
even
is a issue.
SVD logo also we can have copyright on it.
No, logo can have a trademark. I was coming to that point. Logo and name has to be trademarked. So any logo and name has to be trademarked.
This is one thing. Actually, one of my third year students have done electric diya. Everybody appreciated that diya. But actually, somewhat another model other department has taken. But logic means whatever technical things are there, that is completely. So can we go for patenting this?
Then I have to check for the novelty.
Okay.
You have to check for the novelty part. So if there is novelty and if it is solving the 3 criteria, then
So, all this, our faculty members are doing this. So, being ahead, I'm expecting that while writing the patent, what should be your standard format? So, write-up should be like this way, this way, this way. If this format you will give, then basic things we can do, and then you can check novelty and patenting,
so the
etc.
format is already shared with KSC and on that common mail ID which sir will share. So, and if you want, I'll just also discuss that format. Questions also I can discuss what is there in that format. So that if you have any queries, it is solve
If
to
it
follow.
will be discussed here, that will be
Format for patent and copyright is different. What madam was discussing.
Yes, copyright format is different.
हाँ.
Patent format is different. Copyright I'll share with sir soon. And
And one more thing I want to ask. Madam, you said that something which is not published, it can be patented. Right? Then, suppose my PhD work is there or some part is there. So then what is the difference between research paper and patent? Because same things are communicated that we should go for publishing the things. So how it can be differentiated?
first of all, patents and papers are two different complete entities. Your research publication does not give you a legal right for your research. Your patent gives you a legal right for your research. That is first major difference. And second major difference is, if you patent first and then publication, there is no harm. Okay? But if you publish first and then patent, then you can't patent.
This first it should be patented,
Patented
then it
only,
should be
then it
published.
should be.
That is the right.
Yes. This is the only way. Because what happens is, if you file a patent, if you publish a patent, publish a document and then file it, your own application will act as your own prior. It will say it is already in the public domain, even if it is your own paper. It should not be in the public domain before you file. Of course, there is amendments, but I don't want to get into the amendment technicalities right now. Because what will happen, then you will file patents and then you will.
And PhD synopsis work as a patent because there should not be fully work for that particular topic.
Sorry?
PhD synopsis.
Huh.
Can it work? It's when we do this thing as a patent because this is not completed. Just starting.
Just starting. So how much time will it take for you to complete the patent, to complete the work? At least 2 to 3 years? 2 years.
Yes, yes.
So if you just have an idea, so that you can take a provisional, like how you take a provisional admission as students take, you can have that, but that is valid only for 1 year. Synopsis is not, I understood, but synopsis you can take a patent on, but उसके लिए complete patent नहीं ले सकते, तो उसका provisional patent is because obviously you will be adding some technical data, you will be adding something.
Can it be a utility patent?
It can be a utility patent, but it will be a provisional patent. And provisional patent is valid only for 1 year. So within 1 year, if you complete your application, complete your research and file, it is fine. If not, then the provisional application is also expired.
One question from my side, madam. Previous batch, my final year student was there. They have done one project, means that is related to our electrical engineering. That project previously it was related with our single phase induction motor. Then I searched a lot. I found that that project was not there on 3-phase induction motor. So I have given the suggestion to them that do this project on 3-phase induction motor. But means I was thinking that it was not done previously, but sometimes I found whenever searching that 2 to 3 research paper, I found that some basic idea is there in that paper. Now whether that project can be patented.
Basic idea there, it is, see, you can't expect everything will be new. There must be some references in the earlier research will be there. Okay? So what we are doing, okay, we can use the base of the existing research. But what if whatever we are adding, it has to be a significant part. We can take the previous research paper as a base for our invention also. But we should add something more significant to our invention so that the novelty can come out. Understood? Novelty has to come out. You can take a 2-phase, 3-phase, anything. But what you are trying to do with the 2-phase, 3-phase has to be.
So that's what I asked that. Is there any standard format? In which format shall we put our ideas? If this is done no, then by checking this you can misunderstand that whether it shall be patented or not. But at least if that format everybody knows, everybody will submit at least 2 ideas.
I have shared with Kenny sir.
I will share.
I'm just discussing the idea form. This form was already shared with Kenny sir. I'll just discuss each. I've asked around 10 to 12 questions in that, and I'll just discuss that in a brief manner so you can also know what I have questioned.
So the benefit of that form is that I already told in other department. If you prepare the form properly for your area of interest, what you are working on, so it will be used, it can be used for other purposes. For example, putting the research proposal, creating a paper out of that. So that format is like that. So it has lot of question has been asked in that format. If you put those answer those all questions, it will be useful for other things.
So first question is about the details of the inventors, name, address, organization, and all that. Then is about the title. What is the general purpose of the invention? What is the purpose? Why are you doing it? What is the problem the invention is solving? Okay. What is the technical description of the invention? How are you solving that problem? The solution that you have identified, any similar solutions available in the market. And sixth question is, how is your invention differing from the existing solutions? What particular features of the inventions are not obvious to a person skilled? The conclusion that you have come out, the result that you have come out, are they not obvious that you have to mention? Why are they not obvious? Your solution should not be obvious. On what basis you are saying it's not obvious? You have to list as many products available in the market in the same domain or solution that you have found. Flowchart, methodology, diagrams, working mechanism, diagrams along with label, and workflow. These are the 12 questions that I have asked. And if there is any other additional information that you need to provide. These are the standard questions that I have asked. This is a blanket questions to all the inventors. So irrespective of whichever domains you are, you can address these questions and submit the document. We will scrutinize it. We will search if it is already available, if it is patentable, it is solving that criteria of patentable, and then we will take a call and we will decide. If it is positive, we will take through. If not, we will give you some suggestion and you can work upon it and will come.
And there is one email ID I have created that is called as, that is ipr@spheri.ac.in. You can note down. ipr@spheri.ac.in. ipr@spheri.ac.in. And you can keep me in CC. I am my IPR coordinator right now. There will be new order for IPR coordinator. Till then you can keep me in CC.
Regarding MBA, because we are not into the much of product development and all, because ours is all theories and concepts and this type of things. So regarding this, whether we should go for patent, copyright, or what you suggest? Which in which direction we should go? Because physical product development, it is not there in our case, management case. So what we should focus more and how we should focus?
Sir, for management, what I would recommend is, for management process becomes difficult for patenting, because patenting, again, the basic criteria is novelty. And one of the, again, major backdrop for MBA is there is a section 2D for patent, which is called as a section 2D में mere mathematical calculation and business models are not present. So it directly comes into the purview of non-patentable. But if you develop a process like which is a unique in itself, okay, so those you can pull it together and create a document. You can name the document. Like for example, I'll give you one very classic example. You know Dolby Atmos technology, right? A Dolby Atmos technology, it sounds to be very technical, very thin. But somehow the technology cannot be patented. For some reason, it cannot be patented. So what the inventors did is, वो technology को they named that as Dolby. They've trademarked the technology, and now wherever technology is going along with the trademark. So same way, sir, if you have developed a certain process, a business model, or anything on the marketing end, or the sales end, or something on the HR end, and you develop your own process. You can develop that process and you can name the process. Okay, maybe it is a queries management process. So if you are implementing the process, it is implemented and you can trademark the name. And already query we are looking forward for trademark. So it will be queries management process. So it is anywhere you are going, they are implementing queries management process.
Like we have different management fields, FW's principle,
Yes.
and all like that.
So he can, of course it is very early, but we can start early, it will slowly will be penetrating. So it will be very sales process, very management process, and it will be slowly be inculcated in the name of that. And the name will be trademark. And the process can have a copyright.
Now one example I will ask. We have at our institute level budget process, and we are very part of that. So whatever the budget process is followed in our institute, getting into that documentation and process, whether it can be go for this
Patents?
like budget, like you mentioned, Swedish budget process, or like that if we create some process, this is the way of collecting the budget from department level, this is how we allocate, this is how we spend, and this is the outcome, and this is why it is best model and how it is different from others, whether it can be done.
Unique.
How will you prove that you are best from others? On what basis will you prove that it is
A
best?
unique model of utilization of funds.
I agree. But how will you prove that it is best? I will say my process is best. Why will I agree your process is best?
So what is the mechanism for that? How, like,
But how it can be patentable? It can be a copyright.
Honey, that's what I was coming to that. So what we can do is, only there are cases like that where certain patents on these concepts can be filed. Like there are filed. So what I would recommend is we just discuss the details of it. We check for the patents in those domains, how they have filed. Have they had an application to it? Can an application be connected in this domain? Like you're saying a process system. So can an app be devised for the process? Something on that end. Yeah.
means
So we'll have to
get
check
converting that process into
in
an
an app
application.
application. Because I had a client and it was same way, the other way around. He had an apparel store, clothing store he had, and he wanted to share a very different user experience. So what he did is, he used to ask his customers, what you prefer. He used to ask young girls, what do you want? You want a party dress? He used to ask boys, what kind of dresses do you want? And they used to tell them. But then slowly, because he became quite famous, it was difficult. The same concept. See, he did it for his marketing scene so that people can come. He is giving that customized experiences, and he did for his marketing end. So what you want to get it, आपको white में आपको black अच्छा लगेगा, आपको ये earring अच्छा लगेगा. So he used to give that marketing experience. The same thing, he converted it into an app. And that app, we patented it. And we called it as a patent, and called it apparel detection system.
That means product is
App into product. Again, apps, software apps cannot be patented. So we call it as a system. We did not call it as an application. Understood? So there are midways. We'll have to check what exactly is the process. If it is going too much on the non-technical side, then we have to do something about it. But if anything can be, as a mixture, or it can be overlap, then we can have some kind of, I can give suggestion, इसका app बना के आप कुछ कर सकते हो. Or similar patent which is filed in that domain. So we check how they have filed, what is they have included. So we can include that and we can file it. So in the details.
Now, what are students' plans are there, which are some app-based, etc.
It will again depend what kind of app it is. I should be having very strong elements. Even if I am saying it is patentable, later on when you come to me with the details, I might reject that idea. Because it is not patentable. So you have to give me those strong technical points, those proper systems, input, output systems, why we are using novelty features basically I need to check. And then we will have to come.
But
at least at this stage, because this both we have started recently in this area. So my suggestion is that at least 1-2 ideas you should format.
Yes.
Then let us see
Yes,
that.
yes. See, what I would suggest is that
Next step.
whatever right ideas you've got, you think about your like your children who have prepared an app. So it was talking about this two-phase three motor. Someone who's already worked, like sometimes what happened, our children they have worked upon already with certain idea, but they've left, and the BTech project is gone along with them, and then the same project you give it to them with some advanced thing. So you can combine both of them together and create one thing. Right?
Madam, one question is that being an electrical engineer, we are probably working on the optimization technique by using some softwares, MATLAB or other softwares. So we can file the patent for using that software. Some circuit we are also going to design there. So whether we can file the patent for that circuit or optimization technique.
Integrated circuit is a law,
Okay.
and integrated circuit is specifically for electronic based things. But again, we'll have to check in details for the integrated circuit, what kind of circuit and is it novel and
No,
all
even
those
that
things.
circuit will be virtual circuit, not physical circuit.
Not physical.
It is a
Virtual
software.
circuit. So we'll have to check.
It's like an algorithm.
Yeah, because
Yes.
integrated circuit is a law, like how we've got patent law and all that. Integrated circuit is a law because circuit itself is a bigger domain in itself. So we'll have to check the technicalities and then come back.
So most of the papers we are taking out of from this optimization technique using MATLAB, etc.
We have a combination and we have to come up with.
That cannot be better. Optimized.
But we get the better result for application purpose.
If you have proposed certain algorithm, then we can
That your circuit can be patented or can be
Algorithm cannot be patented.
algorithm.
Codes and algorithms.
If suppose we are dealing with efficiency of XYZ motor and we are going to design
How
one
are you
of
going to optimize, show the efficiency? If one motor is
initially the efficiency is that much. When we are going to use this technique, efficiency will get
is
increased.
the technique already available in the market?
So we have to
Software is
check.
available. What?
Software ठीक है, but technique what you are using is available.
Most of the people using same software, but we are going to use some different technique.
Technique can
I
be
understood.
patented.
Technique also, sometimes what happens, suppose XYZ material I am using for manufacturing of motor. But if I make alloy combinations, then that time heating effect I am going to optimize. In such cases,
Yes, yes, yes.
It can be.
In virtual also,
It can be.
because we get the result in proper manner also
Can.
in graph.
It's because algorithm cannot be patented.
so that now you don't say this as a software project. You can say that this is one of the process of optimizing. Barabar.
हाँ.
Barabar na?
Yes.
Then it can be patented.
But the software which you are using, that has to like the technique which has to be using, that it has to be novel technique.
Okay.
If you like as man said, some alloy you are using, some things you are using. So that process, this is the major part. The others are just kind of a overlapping thing. They just kind of give you a
Will it come under that category, merging or suicide?
no, that will not come.
Substances.
No. That will not come because he is giving that novelty, no? Mere admixture of substances is
His
not.
novelty is in output.
हाँ,
Not in
Yes.
हाँ.
input.
And your efficiency that you are showing, that if you are showing with others technique that is giving 20% efficiency, but you have to show efficiency of minimum 80 to 120%. That is a major difference that efficiency you have to
Means
show.
you want to say that optimization means not optimization algorithm. Optimizing in terms of size, in terms of cost, in terms of efficiency, any product.
With different techniques.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
Cost cannot be taken into consideration in the thing. Cost cannot be taken into consideration. Size, yes. If that size, what happens is if you're loading the size, like for example, for bigger laptop, you do something, some configuration from that laptop is come in your hands, right? There is some kind of resize, some configuration that they have done. That is allowed.
Because often have set of inputs.
Eवढे sir,
Should be fixed.
that yes, what students.
So basically what I'm going to mention is output has to be shown, output has to be seen. With your technique, if you are proving that with your technique your efficiency is double time or triple time from the existing one, then that will be a significant one. And again, very important point is it should not be a mere arrangement and dearrangement, which is very important in electronics.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, mere arrangement and dearrangement. Like you just have a circuit, you arrange it in certain way, again you dearrange and again you rearrange in certain.
That is what he is doing. I'm saying. That's what I was saying. We are arranging the different circuits in a different way and getting the output. Whether it comes under that law, that clause.
No, if you have to, because he is again saying that you have certain technique that you are putting.
No, he's not putting technique. He's just making a circuit that way. It is a virtual circuit he's making by just putting resistors.
Because we have a client, they are into battery optimization they are using. They are using battery optimization. So what he has done, he is using a combination of series and parallel combination they are doing, so that the heating effect of battery is lower.
On that only we are working.
So that we have patented. That we have patented. हाँ?
वही कर रहे हैं ना हम.
2s 3p 3s 2p and all those combinations we have. And one combination we have given so that the end part is. But again we have to check the details. Again, that's what I'm saying. On the face value we feel अरे ये नहीं हो सकता है because I've spoken so many things. But when we actually get into the detail of it, we actually
That's
get
what
into
my
the technical.
first question was, if format is there, once our idea put in the format, then immediately you will come to know that whether it is going to be patentable.
Because even for optimization, when this client came to me, Pune University का client it was, when it came to me, I was like नहीं होगा, possible ही नहीं है, नहीं होगा सर, नहीं होगा. And he was insisting so much कि मैम मेरा पूरा PhD का काम इसमें है, this and that. I was like, at least give me a thought. So I and my team we all got together. We spent like 2 hours. We actually had a debate कि ये हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता. And then we came out conclusion नहीं हो सकता है तो ले लो. It's not कि just because देना है हमने नहीं taken. वो था possible इसलिए हमने taken. And उनका FER आके I think we have been a position to run.
Depends on case to case. Depends on the particular case to case.
Depend upon case to
Working
case.
on that, Smart India hackathons, the problems.
EV के लिए वो they were working on that.
हाँ.
Battery optimization.
We are also working on that EV prototype sets also. That is rarely available. So we are planning to file the patent. EV circuits.
Software program can be patented.
Programs strictly not. Algorithm codes.
And one more thing, madam. One of the students is asking to me, he has some idea to design one of the weapon. Weapon. Yes, my student is there.
Weapon. Yes, what to do?
What kind of weapon?
He was asking EV based any armor.
No, defense related.
Defense related.
part is there.
Defense.
He was asking any vehicle in army that can be run on the EV, electric vehicles.
What is a weapon here?
That can be used. I can't disclose now, but that can be used in for defense purpose.
Nee, what happens is, I understood your point what you're trying to say, but again, at one point it can be patentable, but you'll have to check out the morality of the invention.
Yes.
Even if it is novel, you have to take that for the novelty, morality we have to check. I always give this classic example where one of my clients, he did not do the patent though, but they had come to me and they had developed a formulation, a chewing gum formulation that if you eat that even 5 minutes before, so if you consume the alcohol, it will not be shown in that monitor. Alcohol detection जो था ना उसमें दिखाएगा नहीं. 5 minutes में अगर दिखाया ना दिखाएगा नहीं उसके अंदर. That was against moral ethical thing. वो हुआ नहीं patent. Same way, someone had come with an innovative way of robbery. नया तरीका चोरी करने का. And someone had come with an innovative way of killing. Very innovative way. I am not disclosing. Very innovative way of killing people. and suiciding and all that. So that is not patented. Innovative and all that. Ethical background पे moral ethical background तो नहीं हो सकता because it is there in section 2D. Moral ethical background तो नहीं हो सकता है. So, but any nuclear weapon में कुछ करना है या defense related कुछ करना है, you have to take some special permissions. अगर if it is for our application, if our intention is clear, if you want it only for defense purpose, वो it can be used for other purposes also. So if your intention is pure and you want to use only for defense purposes and you prove it and there is certain procedure, I think.
One for that we also would be suggesting like series this model of that. If you have one of the sample, if you could follow of other institute or other institution.
So frankly speaking, management I have not taken anything, but I'll check for something online and I'll check. Because
You can share with sir. I mean, just for our reference, how exactly it is.
I'll check. Something must be there on the management.
You also go on the Google patents.
You just check on
You
Google
just search on
patents.
Google patents whether it is available, like management patents or patents on the manuals, patent on the budget processes.
Budget processes, there are patents on budget processes. I know that. I have seen that. So you can just go and check.
But you said one more website, free patents something.
Free patents online.
Free patents online.
You will also search if you get anyone from there, you can just share.
But meanwhile, whatever processes you got, you create a unique, you copyright that project immediately and give a name to the name we can print. And Kilesa we need to, ma'am just reminded me, spherical logo, सब लोग कुछ कर रहे spherical logo और नाम ही नहीं किया, so that we have to do. You just told me
बहुत चीज़ है शेरी के पास.
सब कुछ किया, spherical नाम और logo ही नहीं किया.
बहुत चीज़ है इसको कर सकते हैं.
That's what I said that our EL stream
नहीं
is very scientific.
about logo we discussed earlier before your appointment here. That's why it leads to your appointment. we have discussed once in the principal cabin about logo, how to copyright logo, how to trademark logo.
Logo strictly will be trademarking. Copyright क्या हो सर? अगर वो spherical जितने भी जो पीछे lines है ना, उसमें से एक line भी निकालना तो भी आप copyright claim नहीं कर पाओगे.
One more thing I want to add here.
If people we can be copyright.
We can copyright the recipe book also. Look. You can copyright anything.
Recipe book what exactly is?
Recipe book is made.
Recipe means generalization.
What we have, madam, we have one center at Tarapur where we have developed lots of recipes, like more than 300 recipes for food products. So products like processes like drying the products, like for example, a chiku shake, that aam papad, new recipes. So
But without zero means no
without
preservation.
zero preservative, no preservative, no
That can be
sugar, no
patented.
salt.
That can be patented.
Can be patented, but I thought it can be copyrighted. Like last time we have decided file the patent.
Sir, one important thing we have to see that whether BRC they have provided us their secret.
BRC is in only few domains. Like mostly they have given us 5 to 6 recipes, but we have developed more than that, 300 recipes, around 300 recipes.
So there are two aspects in this. One is the trade secret part of it. It's something we want to keep secret.
MD's
So
masala.
we don't have to move out like the Coca-Cola, Slice, Maaza, Thumbs Up. Their recipes not masalas. Recipes not disclosed outside. But there is something on the trade secret end that I'm working on. Let me just get a complete overlook on. If I get a complete overlook and I'm confident on it, I'll help you for trade secret also.
Yeah,
There's something on trade secret we could do.
but what happens in copyright? No, the recipe can be copied easily. It will not have a right on it. We will not have a right.
Yes, teacher is also our
Chavanprasad.
See, trade secret is something I'm working on. with some
Chavanprasad can be
institutes.
go for trade secret.
Yes, I'm working on some institute for trade secrets. I have certain friends also in that. So let me get a confident this will work here and all that. I'll just check the details and.
So I want to add it
What
here.
can be done for the innovative ideas? Patents. Innovative ideas. Only innovative idea, not product.
She is saying whether
product, have a product. That's what I say. Product is important at the time of examination, but you should have all the technical information with you for that.
Publishing, it can be idea, but granting it should be for product.
FER.
Is it?
No.
Point of view.
Right from starting, all the information should be there, because at the later stage, examiner might not allow us to add any extra information. He might not allow us. Some allow us for certain thing, but they will not allow us to add any extra information after.
If you are filing hypothetically something else, and while preparing the product, you get some new version.
New
It
idea.
is
Then
not
that
allowed.
is not allowed. Hypothetical idea. Idea can be protected for a period of 1 year though, but that is not our aim right now.
Yes, our aim, what I will put, take that word, our aim is to have a good entrepreneurship culture in our institute. The base of that is the patent. From patent you can go for publication, you can go for SCS, Scopus, UGC papers, book chapters, anything. Because you have the idea, you have the product, when you have the product, patent. But when we have the patent, when you have the product, we can go for manufacturing of that product, you can go for selling of that product, you can go for Startup India and many things. So our aim, ultimate aim of this institute is that to have a good entrepreneurship culture here in our institute, so that in future, in 5 years, 6 years, in coming 5, 6 years, we should have some amount of startups in our institute. That is the main part in NRF also. Startup, they ask us for startups. Startup is the only startup which is registered on the startupindia.com or DPIIT website. But we didn't have any. We put it there with them and all others, but we lost marks there. So that is our ultimate objective. So there will be some session in future also on which Madam will going to say how to commercialize the patent. Commercializing means we are selling the product, we are selling the idea to some of the company, or we are commercializing it, manufacturing the same thing. Yes. So we are also in the phase of preparing a revised IPR policy, in which, for example, if you have the patent, 4 people have the patent, it get customer from somewhere else. So we will sell that patent to that company. If they give us 1 crore rupees, so some amount will be of policy, some amount will be of that particular inventors. So that numbers we are finalizing. So that's why patent is very important. Earning consultancy for 10 years and a single patent will give that amount in 1 stroke. So that is the power of patent.
Is there any lifespan of patent?
20 years. Like,
Any more questions? We'll take your leave then. Okay, first of all, good afternoon one and all. I would like to thank Ms. Mahida Madam for giving such valuable information related to patent and IPR. Along with Madam, our Dean R&D is there, Dr. K. Sir. I would like to thank on behalf of the MBA department as well as Electrical Engineering department. I would like to thank Dr. K. Sir. Also, I would like to thank HOD of MBA department, Janani Sir, and HOD of Electrical Engineering department, Dr. D. A. Zamboli Madam. And I would like to thank all the faculty members who attended this session, which is conducted by Mahida Madam. And last but not least, I would like to thank Dr. B.P. Runge Sir, who giving us such good opportunity